Welcome guys, welcome to Plant the Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, I'm giving you guys an update on my tropical plants. Most of them is fruit trees. I'm actually growing them in a room. I don't have a grow light. I'm using regular light to grow them. The room temperature, I'm telling you right now, is feel like it's about 30 degrees. That's how it's feel inside here. But I'm growing, this is a moringa. It kind of struggling. It's really struggling, but we still see some life inside of it. We see the stalk looking green, so we see that it's surviving. And these plants is in here for like heading for 3 months now. 3 months indoors without a grow light, without a window, and they're doing pretty well. This is papaya. This papaya, as we see here, leaf looking like a quail, but at the same time we see fresh leaf coming, and that's what's important, guys. What is important is they're still pushing fresh leaf. So if they're pushing fresh leaf, they're showing you they have some sort of life inside them. This one is avocado. This avocado looking pretty healthy. The leaf them looking green and wonderful. This is another avocado here that the leaf looking awesome. This type of weather is surely not doing anything to these avocado plant at all. Look at next one right here. Not doing anything. And this one, if you notice, this one, it's showing you new leaf, new growth. New growth means the plant is definitely striving. So we have no sunlight. All we have is a regular light, and the room is cold. We have this cassava here. We're hoping that this cassava will make it in this type of weather. But we have it here, and we just want to know which plant could really deal with, could survive without the sunlight, without a grow light, just in a regular room with a regular light. We also have a lemon tree here. This is a lemon tree. Well, citrus tree really can take some cold weather as well. So this one is surely showing life. This is another papaya tree. Yes, this is a lemon tree. This is a mango tree, a small mango tree. I see it struggling a bit, so I give it a little super juice. I give it a little liquid manure to see if it could revive itself. Because when I look down there, what I'm seeing the stalk. The stalk is pretty green, which is important. So as we see the moringa, we see the avocado, we also see the papaya, and they're all doing wonderful. Right here we have lavender growing here. This is another avocado, and these avocados are doing wonderful up in here, man. This is a mango, and as we see this mango tree holds its leaf. It shed a few of the leaf, but as we can see, it holding its leaf. We have a bell pepper down inside here. It have a small pepper growing, and it have on all the leaf them. We know they're struggling, but the thing is, keeping your plants, able to keep your plant, able for them to survive in a room without heat, without grow lights, just regular lights in a room. Right, we have, all right. We have, this is an oregano right here, and this is a spinach, which doing really well. I mean, these are tropical plants, and they're doing so well. We also have an oregano here as well. That's doing wonderful. We also have cassava in this, which I believe might be, I mean, they're looking like they have life inside them. So that means some kind of root. The root system is growing. We also have avocado growing here as well. I had this one outside late and I bring it in late, but at the same time when I look to the top here, I'm seeing growth. This is a sweet stevia. It dries up, but trust me, it will come back. And then it has so much seed that's gonna drop in the container and it's gonna come right back. We also have another lemon tree right here that's doing pretty well. We have a lemongrass down there. Not sure what happening, but the leaf them dry up. Maybe it's gone. And this is a cassava tree we have growing. This cassava is actually in this room for like about 3 months right now. And if you notice, you see the leaf is still green. So this is a climate that was created in this room.